Hello friends, today we are going to discuss important topic of a compiler design, that is specification of a tokens. So in last lecture we are already discussed that what is token, what is pattern, and how the token is to be recognized by the compiler. So there are three terms are available: token, patterns, and lexeme. So what is token? Token are nothing but the category or class of input given to the particular class. So suppose we have x is equal to a plus b semicolon. So in that there are three identifiers are available, which one are x, a, and b, and three operators are available, that is equal to or assignment operator plus, that is arithmetic operator, and semicolon. Okay, now how this token is to be specified by the compiler, we are going to discuss these things in detail. So definition is that the alphabet is the set of legal input symbols, and a string or the sum alphabet is a finite sequence of a symbols from the given string. The length of string is written in just like that, double slash is there and s is there. The empty string is a special zero length string denoted by the epsilon. Regular expression are the most common notation for the pattern specification. Every pattern specifies a set of string, so and regular expression names a set of strings. More definition: strings and substring. So what is prefix, suffix, substring, and uh, okay, a proper prefix, suffix, or substring. A prefix, often s, is formed by removing zero or more trailing symbol of s. A suffix of s is formed by removing zero or more leading symbol of s. A substring of s is formed by deleting a prefix and a suffix from s. A proper prefix, suffix, or substring is a non-empty string, that is x, that is respectively a prefix, suffix, or substring of a string with x is not equal to s, that is string. A language is a set of strings over a fixed alphabets. Example languages are infinity, epsilon, and suppose that is in curly bracket a, that is the concatenation of two strings x and y is written by x and y. The string exponentiation written in xi, where s0 is equal to epsilon and si is equal to si to 1 s for I. So these are the few things which with the help of that a string wishes to be defined. Regular expression let us precisely define a set of strings. For C identifier we might use letter or digit star. That this star is nothing but the clean closure. Parentheses are for grouping, means QR, and star means zero or more instances. For every regular expression, R defines a language LR. Regular expression. Here are the rules for writing regular expression over an alphabet. Epsilon is an regular expression, the language containing only the empty string. If A is in the given string, then A is regular expression denoting of the A. If R and S are regular expression denoting L of R and L of S, then R of S is a regular expression denoting R L language of R union of language of S. Just like that, R of S is nothing but L of R. This is nothing but the concatenation. That is what we can say that union and intersection. R star. R star is nothing but the here clean closure. What we clean closure is nothing but the empty string is to be considered. Additional convention. Star has the highest precedence and is a left associative. And concatenation has the second highest precedence and is left associative. That is, or has the lowest precedence and is the left associative. Or is also used in the production of the grammar. Example of regular expression: a or b, a or b concatenated by a or b, a star, A or B star A or A star B. This star is nothing but the concatenation. Regular definition. Examples of for identifier in C. Letter A, B, Z, that is capital letters, and digits and numbers, that is letter or digit, that is the clean closure of this symbol. Okay, this is for the specifications of the tokens. So here we conclude that key token is nothing but the category or class of the input string, and we are compiler identifies the identifier constant operator special symbol from the given string. There are different things we also discuss. Regular expression, suppose we have a regular expression that is like A or B, that is A star. So star is nothing but the your the clean closure. So the regular expression is like that, the A comma A 4 times A and epsilon. So this in this way the specific token is to be specified. Thank you so much.